Hey guys, so today's a little different. We're actually going to be leaving the track here, and instead we're going to be heading up to Conroe to CRG Nordam, and we're going to have them help us find some brakes. Let's do it. Hey guys, alright, so here at CRG Nordam, I got my brake stuff. Once we get back to the track, I'll show you what we have. They did not let me film inside, so not the biggest deal, but just know, warehouse full of all sorts of goodies. Probably took us about 20 minutes to find what we were looking for, and then from there, paid, good to go. So now it's time to put some stuff on a cart. Let's do this. So don't worry about this gap. I'm gonna get a spacer to help fill those in. All right, so here is the final product. I forgot to film as I was getting that all mounted. Have the spacers in there and everything. So stay tuned for next episode. I'll be putting tires and getting the motor sorted out. Thank you.